Hello traders, how are you? Okay, so in this video I want to take you through the installation of the Forex Triple B Pro. So you go to the members area, okay, where when you get your license of the Forex Triple B Pro, you get access to the members area, okay. With this, with the email you registered and the password you receive, log in to this members area, go to the Forex Triple B Pro. If for whatever the reason anything you face any technical issue with whatever it is, doesn't matter, please contact my team here. Okay, support let me mark it for you here, support at vladimirbakov.com. Okay, my guys are there for you and they will assist you to solve whatever the issue if you face any. Okay, so let's take it step by step, and the first one is, again, you go here to the Forex Triple B Pro. This is your download area. Okay, that's where you get your installer, install pro, and you have also the user manual. Okay, so this is the manual. That's how it looks like. As you can see, 70 pages of fully detailed. You can see here with trades and examples and settings and everything, rules, everything is here for you, for your comfort. Okay, 70 pages, very detailed, very useful. And basically what you have to do is this. Okay, so download it, right, and save it on your desktop or anywhere else. Okay. After that, once you downloaded it, I downloaded it for the example, okay, for this presentation to here. Okay, so what you have to do is unzip it. Okay, use any WinRAR or any other software you have and open this file. So here you would see a manual installation if you prefer to use the manual installation, okay, or the auto installer. So there is also, inside the members area, there is also the installation guide, like the manual, but for the installation guide. You can follow the steps there for any convenience, or just watch me here on the video. So I will be presenting with the auto installer. Okay, you can instead use the manual installation and place all these files manually. So what I do is I just take it out and then follow the installer. Okay, double click, yes. Okay, so basically what do we have to do here is next. Okay, and we have to make sure, of course, every of the MetaTrader is closed. I had one open, so now I close it. Okay, so accept the agreement, next. Now you choose here whatever you want to install that. Okay, whatever. I'll just, for the presentation, I'll install it on one of these platforms here. Okay, if you want on more than one platform, go ahead, select the ones that you want to work with. And that's it. Okay, installing, next, done, and run. Okay, so I do this and I click finish. It will open up the broker, okay, the platform for me. Let's see how it works. Okay, so it opened up the platform for me. Okay, next step, you have to go and attach. Okay, go to expert advisors. Okay, and choose the triple B scanner. Okay, not the center, the scanner. Attach it to the chart, or just, grab it or double click it, doesn't matter. Okay, the next step is you have to put your authentication. Okay, so you take the information you have and you put it, email and the password. Okay, that's the same as you have for the download page. Okay, once you put it inside, of course you can, inside the scanner you can choose all the instruments you want the scanner to do, but for that you have the manual and you have the other videos I created for you to explain how to use the scanner. Okay, let's just refresh it. If you see some at the first load you see some weird line appear when you upload it, just change the time frames. Okay, see, and that's it. That's it. Now your Triple B Pro is installed. You can see here the smiley face. If not, make sure the auto trading here is clicked. Okay, and that's it. The scanner starts to work right now and starts to look for the opportunities. Okay, so the next step is basically what you can do is just go to any other chart, okay, and put a template. So you go to the template and you have the Triple B Pro template, and voila, everything is loading for you. Now it's very important to say, now once the scanner is authenticated already, you do not need to authenticate the robot. Okay, it's already working. Okay, the scanner basically is the authentication. You can, of course, once the arrows appear here, you can just click on the arrow wherever they appear, and then it will open up for you. Or you can do what I just did here. Okay, and that's it. You see, you move the time frames, and your Triple B Pro is ready to be used. Once again, we have this installation guide next to the manual inside the members area. Take your time, go over that step by step. If you will need any help, any assistance with anything, once again, I would like to encourage you to contact my team. Okay. Now I want to take you one more thing through the manual. This is the through the members area. Sorry, this is the manual. This is the installer. Here you can find all the videos. Okay, know your Triple B Pro, Forex Triple B Pro, the trading rules, the scanner. Here is a full video for you about that. Okay, advanced trading tips. Okay, there might be videos on the go that I will add here. So if there will be any new content, it will be uploaded here to the same download page. And also, of course, the Telegram group. Okay, so here is our Telegram group. Just click that and follow the instructions. Very simple, straightforward. Everything is here for you. Pretty easy. We organized it, user-friendly. So I hope you find it the same way as we see that. And that's all. Once again, thank you for your support, for your trust in us, in this project. Myself and my team are here for you as always, as you know that in the Telegram, in the email. Don't hesitate to contact us. Please take your time, go over the manual as many times as you need. Okay, please watch the videos. Okay, there is a great series of videos here for you. Watch them, practice that, run that on demo. Make sure you get familiar with the way that the Triple B Pro version works. You understand the logics behind it. Okay, you feel comfortable with it, and then go ahead and use that for your trading. So that's it, my friend. I once again would like to thank you for your trust, for your great support in our work, and I wish you fantastic trading, okay, and great journey. Myself, my team are always here for you. Don't hesitate to contact us, and good trading. Thank you for your time.